Welcome to the Philippines. Let's explore its wonders. First stop, El Nido. Discover stunning beaches and limestone cliffs in this tropical paradise. Next, Chocolate Hills. These unique geological formations are a must-see in Bohol. Marvel at the Banal Rice Terraces. These ancient hand-carved landscapes are breathtaking. Visit Mayon Volcano. Known for its perfect cone shape, it's a stunning natural wonder. Foodies, delight in Filipino cuisine. Savor adobo, crispy lecan, and refreshing halo halo. Experience vibrant culture with the colorful Sinulog Festival and the traditional Tunikling dance. The Philippines is a land of beauty, flavor, and rich culture ready to explore. Tara na! Like, subscribe, and follow for more travel adventures.